Hello and welcome. In this section, we're focusing on the cleanliness of food handling areas and your role in maintaining a safe, hygienic workplace. Keeping food preparation areas clean is essential to prevent contamination and protect the health and safety of customers, children, clients, and coworkers. In your workplace, this means following the cleaning process and procedures set by your organization. You must complete your cleaning tasks according to the cleaning schedule, even when the kitchen is busy. When cleaning, use the correct cleaning equipment such as brooms, dustpans, mops, buckets, cloths, or sponges that are designated for food handling areas. Always use cleaning chemicals according to the manufacturer's instructions and your workplace procedures. Never mix chemicals and make sure they are stored safely after use. It's also important to follow the correct steps for cleaning and sanitizing. Cleaning removes visible dirt, grease, and food residue from surfaces and equipment. This helps reduce contamination risks and prepares surfaces for effective sanitizing. Sanitizing reduces harmful bacteria and helps keep food contact surfaces safe. It is done after cleaning and uses approved sanitizers to lower germs to safe levels, reducing the risk of foodborne illness. As you clean, take the time to check equipment and surfaces. Look for any buildup of grease, food residue, or damage, and make sure items are in good working condition. Report any faults, wear, or hygiene issues according to workplace procedures so they can be fixed or replaced promptly. Look for any buildup of grease, food residue, or damage, and report any issues according to workplace procedures. By consistently maintaining clean and tidy food handling areas, you help reduce food safety risks and contribute to a safe and healthy environment for everyone. Once you've completed this section, you'll be asked to provide practical evidence of your cleaning tasks in your workplace.